Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save like recent colors and how you can use them. So for instance, you created a color that you really like. I'm just going to go to the wheel section here. And I really like, let's say this color, and I want to save it. So I'm just going to select this color here. Go to saved, go to saved and select save color. You can also click on the colors that you've saved and you can delete them. So press the delete button and select the color that you want to delete. And you can also go to recents and you can see the colors that you've used recently as well. And that is it. It just makes Dress to Impress easier. Before I knew this, I would just like copy and paste the like hex colors before saving it. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.